Chapter 11, Economic Impact. It has been determined by economists that by the year 2053, the median wealth of African American family will be zero. That's right. By 2053, the median wealth of an African American family will be zero. It is important now more than ever to gather the troops, build businesses, and support our community's businesses so that this 2053 prophecy does not come true. What I find interesting about projections is that they are based on past data. They looked at the past economic trends of African American community and decided that if things go the way they have been going, then the median wealth will be zero. But they did not account for me writing this book. They did not account for you listening, and they did not account for your actions. That means it's time for us to shake things up. African American business owners account for 10% of the total U.S. businesses, according to the Census Bureau, with Black women showing the highest increase since 2017. Hashtag Black Girl Magic. Though we have seen an increase in the number of Black-owned businesses, these are largely sole proprietors. In other words, companies with few to no employees. How can we help increase the profitability of Black-owned businesses and give them the resources needed to hire folks from our community? During Black History Month, we are all more likely to support Black businesses. We are more likely to attend barbecues and community events. In general, we are more likely to spend money in our community, creating economic growth. This creates a 28, occasionally 29-day spark, but we need more. What if we had the same concentrated economic activity twice a year? Did the economists account for that in their 2053 calculations? What if Black business owners, community leaders, churches, podcasts, authors, etc. all could count on 2 months a year where they know the community will support them? Think about the economic growth our community would experience. Think about where our wealth would be by 2053. This could lead to job creation and grow our small businesses into large corporations. Okay, activity time. Are you a business owner? Or are you a patron of a Black business? Think about how often you support that Black business, or as a business owner, think about your month-to-month gross income. Now, typically, when is your largest gross income month as a Black business owner? I know for us, we make the most money without a doubt during February because it is on everybody's mind and everybody's consciousness to support Black businesses. We love it. But what if we had that 2 times a year? So if you're a business owner, I want you to take this moment to do a little bit of calculations. Think about how much money you made in February. If you're driving now or you don't have access to your books, think about it later. But take that number, and now what if you can double that each and every year? Where would your wealth be 50 years from now?